Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by melting chocolate correctly so the structure sets glossy and snaps. Heat 400 G to 45-50 degrees slowly. Stir to distribute heat. Once done, add 100 G chopped chocolate as seed. Stir until mixture falls to 27-28 degrees, then gently reheat to 31-32 degrees for dark chocolate. You must control temperature precisely because fat crystals determine bloom and texture. Make sure to keep tools dry and molds warm enough to avoid premature setting. This first step defines final shine and strength. Once tempered, pour and coat carefully so walls are even. You want consistent thickness to avoid weak seams. Use a brush or spin the mold to build up edges where pieces must interlock, and tap to dislodge air. This prevents holes. Cool at 18-20 degrees until firm but not cold, about 5-10 minutes, then demold gently. Meanwhile, prepare fillings or structural icing. Thicker ganache adds weight, while royal icing bonds faster. Make sure pieces match and label them so assembly is accurate. You assemble by applying royal icing to seam edges like mortar. Press pieces together and support until initial set. Work from base up, walls first, then roof, so load paths are predictable. Reinforce inside corners with extra tempered chocolate for structural strength. Add decorations only after main joints are stable. If something shifts, warm the joint slightly to remelt contact, then reapply icing and clamp briefly. Make sure to test balance before display. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.